Let's talk about adding external APIs to your project using Supabase Edge functions. Now, you're going to want to make sure you are already connected to your Supabase account. You simply click the Supabase icon in the top right, and then you're going to want to connect your account. After you've connected your account, you can use a Supabase functionality called Edge functions. Edge functions you can think of as short mini bursts of functionality that live right on the edge of your computer. You don't have to know what any of that means. Just know that this is what you use to connect to external APIs like Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, etc. In this example, we'll be building an AI chatbot using Grok's API. We're going to use our Hacker News Today's Top 100 Stories example. As you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, I've already gone ahead and added a chatbot. Right now, it doesn't do anything. As you can see, it does nothing. But let's tell it we want to add Grok API functionality to the chatbot using Supabase Edge functions. We click submit, and now Lovable is going to work its magic. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me for an API key. Now, the only safe way to give API keys to Lovable is by pressing the button and putting them in this pop-up. That way, your API's keys are safe in Supabase's Secrets Manager. Supabase Secrets Manager is just a safe and secure way to handle sensitive information, like API keys. You wouldn't want those leaked on the internet. So I'm going to paste my API key here and click the submit button. And now Lovable will configure my API and it will write the code for my Edge function and deploy it. And in a few seconds, we'll have a working AI chatbot. It really is that simple. Okay, Lovable has implemented the Grok API implementation. Let's test it out. When you're building with Lovable, although Lovable is pretty capable on its own, you're going to want to always test, especially your third-party API integrations. So let's click on our chatbot and say, what's the top story today? So as you can see, now our chatbot works. As of now, the top story on Hacker News is Google announces Bard, an AI chatbot to rival ChatGPT, which is really cool. So it is literally as simple as that to add a third-party API integration. You can also continue to configure APIs to do different things, or you can change the UI. But to add a third-party API, the most important things to remember is number one, never paste API keys directly into the Lovable chat. You should make sure that you're always clicking the Add an API Key button and adding those API keys to Supabase Secrets Manager, which means you should have Supabase connected before trying to add a third-party API. Secondly, you also don't want to add your API directly to the UI. This is also unsafe, as any moderately skilled engineer can go into your code and swipe that API, and it can cost you thousands of dollars. Just look it up on Twitter. And that's how easy it is to add an AI chatbot. Say goodbye, Grok. It was a pleasure helping you explore the top Hacker News stories. May the code be with you. This was really cool.